Bruce Walker from TCL, CEDIA 2024. We are so excited to have you here checking out our amazing new 115-inch TV, the world's largest QD Mini LED TV. Think about that. We're at one of the most exciting advanced trade shows in the world. All the top manufacturers here. Nowhere can you see anything like this 115-inch QD Mini LED TV set. Some amazing technology in this TV set that brings this TV to the top of the cream of the crop for performance. Of course, it's a TCL inside and out. You've got our specific QD Mini LED backlight that we design, engineer, and manufacture in-house that delivers a TCL represented 5,000 nits of peak brightness. You've also got 20,000 zones of local dimming, allowing you to have the blackest blacks, whitest whites on screen at the same time, incredible specular highlights. And at 115 inches in screen size, it really asks the question, who needs a projector? You could be sitting that THX recommended 11.5 feet away and get that incredibly immersive field of view. You can mount it on the stand, you can mount it on the floor, you can mount it on the wall. For those mounting on the wall, it comes in the box with these 4 handles that screw in the side, put up in the mount, put these away. So at 200 pounds, it's not the lightest TV out there, but it's going to allow you to put it on a wall and get incredible performance. With QD Mini LED, you get rich, vibrant colors. Many reviewers have said our QM8 class of TV this year is the brightest TV they've ever tested. So you don't have to build a room around your TV set. Put this in the room that you have. If you've got the man cave and you want that home theater experience, you see the blacks that you get. If you got a sunroom with lots of natural daylight, 5,000 nits of peak brightness means you're gonna have to be fighting ambient light to get an incredible picture. So TCL 2024, we're very excited to have this TV set, really the talk of the show. So in addition to our amazing 115-inch TV, something we're very proud of is the fact that we're here. This is the first time TCL has been at CEDIA, and the reason we can do that is all of the TVs that we're showing at the show floor today have great capabilities that we need to have to talk to the custom installer market. IP control, we're working with partners, Crestron, Control4, discrete IR codes, we're working with customers at URC that are going to give you that control that the custom installer is going to need. So we're proud to be here to talk to a whole new group of customers for the first time, and we're showing incredible products like this. This is the TCL NXTFrame TV. I thought, in a little learning curve, that it was going to be for a customer that wanted a TV that could also be a piece of art. Turns out, it's for a customer that wants a beautiful piece of art that can also be a TV. So because it's a TCL TV, it's got Google interface built into it, quantum dot color, 120 hertz panel, 140 VRR gaming, all that exciting stuff that makes it a great TCL TV, but the real magic in this TV is the art. Built into the TV is the TCL Art app that allows you to go through a huge Marietta library of museum pieces, digital photography, all this fantastic curated out can be brought down from the cloud to view on their TV. But because we're TCL and we're always looking to do something different, we have AI art. What that allows the user to do is, on a whim, they're in the mood for some Van Gogh Impressionist painting. They pull something up. What else are they in the mood for? Let's pick out something that's peaceful and a starry night. Now it's going to the cloud and grabbing an AI-generated piece of art to display on your TV that you can save, put into your carousel, do a slideshow. And the great part about this is if I did that exact same set of parameters, a different picture would show up. I can then save it to our library. And when I watch it, once I get it on display, I have a great number of options I can do as well. I can add music in the background, I can add frames to it, I can change the frame, the matte color, the matte texture, and now I have this beautiful work of art that's never been seen before on display in my living room for friends and family. Because it's a Google TV, you can also use your Google photo library if you want to do pictures on here in a slideshow. And because it's TCL, even at about an inch and change thin, there's no external control box. Everything is self-contained. And because we want to give customers more in 2024, it comes as a white TV, like you see here, and included in the box is your teak bezel that can snap on to give you different looks. So no external control box, incredibly thin, extra frame in the box, AI art generation, Google TV. These TVs are coming to the market now. It's available with a 20-watt stereo audio system, or for customers that really want to step up their sound, we've partnered with legendary audio manufacturer Bang & Olufsen to deliver a breathtaking 3.1.2 audio system, wireless connectivity to the display, and a wireless subwoofer that you can put in the room. Perfectly matches the look of the TCL NXTFrame TV, so you continue to have that breathtaking look to go with your breathtaking display. At TCL, we're always looking to push the envelope and making things that were previously unachievable for customers, attainable. For 2024, we're proud of the fact that our S Class entry-level 4K TV has features that other manufacturers are removing from this class of TV. Our S Class TV is available from a 43-inch all the way up to a wall-devouring 85-inch. Incredible performance on TVs of this class, and for the first time at this level, we're offering AI processing. So AI processing is going to do some incredible things to deliver the color, clarity, and contrast people deserve at an affordable price point, plus you do great things to give the customer a better picture. Because everything looks amazing with TCL's 4K panels, 4K resolution, but when you're watching content that's not 4K, you need to do a little work. With TCL's AI processing, lower resolution, lower bitrate content, and it's going to look the best it's ever looked with that AI upscaling. We're very proud that even on the S Class TV, we have a full metal bezel-less design, so you're seeing more screen, less cabinet. With our 360 design this year, we've even done great things like, I know that the custom installers are going to like, we've taken the jack pack that used to be here, have moved it out to the side of the TV. So very, very accessible jack pack for when you need to get to it. So from a screen size of 43 to 85 inch, you're getting 4K resolution, you're getting Dolby Vision, you're getting fantastic wide color gamut on here, you're going to get a great picture. So you've seen our $20,000 TV, you've seen our amazing NXTFrame TV set. These are TVs that can fill a lot of other rooms in the house. And to be at CEDIA 2024, IP control, discrete IR cards, everything the custom installer needs to make this TV fit into that whole home integration solution. At TCL, we're known for award-winning TVs, starting with our QM8 51, the brightest TV many reviewers have ever seen. But as Steven Spielberg famously said, our ears lead our eyes to where the story lives. So for 2024, we're proud to introduce a whole new line of soundbars. Even our entry-level soundbar for 2024 has a level of Dolby Atmos decoding to give you a wider soundstage. But we're very proud of the fact that this year for 2024, we're introducing our Q85H, that if you've got time to listen to it, I'm going to tell you how many speakers it's got. It's very exciting. Our main soundbar comes with a dedicated center channel speaker that's going to bring out all the voices. Most people don't know that sometimes up to 80% of the sound you hear when you're watching a movie or a TV show comes from the center channel. So we have a dedicated center channel speaker. In the main soundbar, you've also got left and right channel with separate woofers and tweeters. You've also got side firing speakers in the main soundbar to give you a wide sound stage. Additionally, on the soundbar, you've got two up-firing speakers, because this is a true Dolby Atmos soundbar, 7.1.4. So 7 drivers, channels in the main soundbar. You've got an incredible subwoofer for deep, rich bass, and wireless rear speakers. So no running speaker wire from the front to the rear, no running speaker wire from those to the sub. You plug those in the wall, you get rear speakers, plus even on the rear speakers, you've got up-firing sound. So you get that full home house audio effect with a big dome of sound. It's going to give you incredible rich detail from the center channel, incredible thunderous bass, and a very immersive sound quality to go with your amazing TCL TV set. All right, that's TCL CEDIA 2024. I'm Bruce Walker. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to see our amazing offerings. To find out even more, go to TCL.com and find TCL at all your favorite retailers nationwide.